How much should you actually spend on a gas pressure washer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, LWQ Portable Power Washer. First up is the LWQ Portable Power Washer, priced at around $127. This caught my attention because it's a budget-friendly option that promises high efficiency. If you want a reliable washer for everyday cleaning tasks, this is worth a serious look. Now let's break down why this is a solid choice. The LWQ offers a high pressure of up to 2.5 GPM, meaning it's great for tackling dirt on driveways, patios, and even your car. With 4 quick connect nozzles, you can adjust the water pressure based on what you're cleaning. This flexibility is a game changer for different surfaces, making it easy to switch from delicate patio furniture to tough concrete. Plus, it's really user-friendly with an anti-tipping design and easy storage options. However, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Now, I understand how frustrating that can be, but honestly, once it's set up, it performs exceptionally well. If you're not the DIY type, maybe it could be a slight bother, but for the price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, portable option for light to moderate cleaning tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty or if you want a more premium feel. But for the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if the LWQ's assembly issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Westinghouse EPX 3500. Next up, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3500 priced at $214.96. What caught my eye is its powerful delivery of 2500 max psi, which means it's built for tougher jobs. If you want to tackle heavy-duty cleaning with ease, this one is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're washing your car or blasting away grime from your driveway, this washer can handle it. Plus, the onboard soap tank holds 20 ounces of detergent, making it super convenient for deeper cleans without needing extra equipment. On the downside, it weighs 21 pounds, which some might find a bit hefty for maneuvering around. But here's the thing. Its 4-wheel design and anti-tipping technology help alleviate that concern. If you're looking for power and don't mind a little extra weight, it's a trade-off worth making. This is perfect for you if you need a pressure washer that can handle various tough tasks around your home. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight or simply need a quick clean. For the performance it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who don't need quite as much power. Product number 3, Westinghouse EPX 3100. Moving on, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3100 priced at $176.80. This model caught my attention due to its balance of performance and cost. If you want something effective without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. The EPX 3100 delivers 2300 max psi, perfect for cleaning decks, fences, and vehicles. That means you can get deep cleaning power right out of the box, which is fantastic for anyone looking to maintain their home. However, some users reported that the hose can be a bit stiff when first using it. I get that it can be annoying, but once you work with it a bit, it loosens up and the performance is impressive. If you don't mind a little initial awkwardness, it's a great machine for the price. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a strong yet budget-friendly option. Skip it if you want maximum power for larger jobs. It offers excellent value for an efficient cleaner. Now, if you want something even more powerful, let's look at our next contender. Product number 4, Westinghouse EPX 3100V. Next up is the Westinghouse EPX 3100V, coming in at $164.08. I found this model intriguing because it combines good power with portability. If you need something lightweight without sacrificing too much cleaning ability, this could be your go-to. This pressure washer delivers 2100 max psi, enough for everyday cleaning tasks like patios and cars. The 20-foot hose is easy to manage, allowing you to reach those tricky spots without hassle. But here's the thing, some users felt that the foam cannon could be more effective. I can see where they're coming from. If you expect a professional-grade foam, you might be slightly disappointed. But for home use, it still does a fine job. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that's easy to carry and store after use. Skip this if you need heavier-duty cleaning power. It's a solid choice for regular maintenance without overwhelming your storage space. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which is a powerhouse in its own right. Product number 5, Westinghouse WPXC. Finally, we have the Westinghouse WPX 3000E priced at $354.87. This one definitely stands out with its heavy-duty specs. If you want something that can handle just about any task you throw at it, this is worth your attention. With 3000 max psi and 1.76 GPM, this washer is designed for serious cleaning. The 0.45-gallon soap tank allows for efficient use of detergents, which is perfect for tough jobs. However, it is heavier at 36.8 pounds, which can make it less portable. For some people, that could be a deal breaker. But if you're looking for maximum cleaning potential and don't mind a bit of weight, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you have extensive cleaning tasks or larger areas to maintain. Skip this if you need a lightweight, easily maneuverable option. For the performance, it's definitely worth the investment. So to wrap it up, we've covered a range of gas pressure washers from budget-friendly options like the LWQ portable power washer to heavy-duty models like the Westinghouse WPX 3000E. Each has its strengths, whether you need something lightweight, powerful, or versatile. Make sure to consider what you need most to find the perfect fit for your cleaning tasks.